Hello and welcome to mathandsciencepower.com. My name is Joe and I'll be your host. Please remember that you can help me to help you by subscribing to my channel, commenting on the videos, and rating and sharing the videos with your friends. Also remember to visit us online for a complete listing of our videos. Okay, we're doing integration by parts, and number 11 asks us to find the integral of arctan 4t dt. So since this is integration by parts, we need to pick which factor we want to be u and which factor we want to be dv. And then we will find the derivative of u and we will find the integral of dv. So I've decided that I want u to be arctan 4t. So arctan 4t, and that means that dv will be dt. Now I want to make a note here that the derivative of arctan x equals 1 over 1 plus x squared. And you can click here for a proof. So when I go to take the derivative of u, arctan 4t, I'm going to have to use this. So I'm going to get 1 over 1 plus, and I don't have x, I have 4t, so this is going to have to be 4t and all of that squared. And because it's the chain rule, I'm going to have to multiply by the derivative of the inside here. So the derivative of 4t is 4, so I'm going to change this to a 4. And of course dx. And the integral of dt will just be t. Now that we have all of our values, take a moment and see if you can plug these values into this formula and solve for the integral of arctan 4t dt. And when we come back, we'll compare our answers and I'll take you through the rest of the integral. Welcome back to mathandsciencepower.com. Okay, let's plug in our values into our formula. So this integral will equal, and I'm going to start with u times v. So v is t and u is arctan 4t, so I'm going to have t arctan 4t, and then I'm going to subtract the integral of v du. So v is t and du is 4 over 1 plus 4t squared dx. So I'm going to start by factoring out this 4. It's going to be minus 4, and then I'm going to take the integral, and the t will be on top because I'm multiplying these two. And it's going to be t over 1 plus, and I'm going to go ahead and square this, so 4 squared is 16, and t squared is t squared, and then dx. Now in order to be able to take this integral, I'm going to have to use the substitution rule. And I'm going to say that u equals 1 plus 16t squared. And du will equal 32t dt. And I'm going to divide both sides by 32, and I get du over 32 equals t dt. So I'm going to rewrite all of this. T arctan 4t minus 4, and it looks like I made a mistake here. This should have been dt. So I'm going to make the substitution, and t dt is going to be du over 32. So I'm going to factor out this over 32. And then I'm going to have the integral, and this is going to be du, and the bottom here becomes u, so it's just going to be 1 over u. And now I can take this integral. This equals t arctan 4t minus, and this reduces to 1/8, and the integral of 1 over u is the natural logarithm of u. And I just have to plug back in for my substitution here. So the answer is t arctan 4t minus 1/8 natural logarithm of 1 plus 16t squared. And I can't forget to add the c here because we're looking for an indefinite integral. On behalf of mathandsciencepower.com, my name is Joe. Thanks for watching.